If you are dealing with flyaways or dry feeling hair, then this Olaplex #7 bonding oil is exactly what you need. I just did a silk press / flat iron on my hair, and I have a few flyaways, and my hair is nice and light. And so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my style with a little bit of this bonding oil by Olaplex. You don't need a whole lot of this. Just a couple drops will do you. Just this much, like barely. And I'm just gonna rub it over where I have my flyaways and rub it on my ends. It smells amazing. It smells luxurious and fresh and clean. And now my flyaways are tamed. It has a little bit more weight, but it's not heavy at all. And as you can see, there's no residue left on my hand after using this. I 100% recommend this bonding oil if you are looking for a finishing oil or even a heat protectant, as this is protective of your hair up to 450 degrees. So get it.